Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of a database point of sales POS system to a business. A database POS system is an essential tool that can greatly benefit businesses of all sizes. Let's dive right in and explore the reasons why this system is so important. First and foremost, a database POS system provides businesses with a centralized location to store and manage their data. This includes information about products, customers, sales, and inventory, to name a few. By having a centralized database, businesses can easily access and update this information in real time, ensuring accurate and up-to-date records. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of errors, which is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and business efficiency. Additionally, a database POS system allows businesses to better analyze their data. With advanced reporting features, businesses can gain valuable insights into their sales trends, customer behavior, and inventory management.